Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an epic battle between two grooming essentials, the Philips OneBlade replacement blade and the Philips Norelco shaving heads. Get ready for some serious shaving showdown. When it comes to durability, both these products are no pushovers. The OneBlade replacement blade can last up to 8 months, while the Norelco shaving heads recommend a replacement after 12 months. It's like a marathon for your blades, but hey, if you're a facial hair enthusiast, the OneBlade might be your go-to, while the Norelco is perfect for those who prefer a fresh set of heads every year. Compatibility is key, my friends. The OneBlade replacement blade fits all OneBlade handles, including the QP2520, QP2530, QP6510, and QP6520. Talk about versatility. On the other hand, the Norelco shaving heads are compatible with Series 3000, 2000, 1000, and click and style shavers. So no matter which shaver you own, there's a compatible head waiting for you. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic. Price. The OneBlade replacement blade comes in at a sweet price point of $0. That's right, it's included when you buy the OneBlade. But hold on, the Norelco shaving heads will set you back around $24 for a pack of 3. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the OneBlade is the clear winner here. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade QP220/50 is a highly recommended grooming accessory that offers effortless precision, long-lasting durability, versatility, easy installation, and a gentle and comfortable grooming experience. It is also cost-effective, making it a worthy investment for anyone in need of a reliable replacement blade. And there you have it, folks. The Philips OneBlade replacement blade and the Philips Norelco shaving heads battled it out, and both have their unique strengths. It's up to you to decide which one suits your shaving needs best. Remember, Buy Smart is here to guide you towards the best purchase decisions. Stay tuned for more exciting comparisons in our future videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The links to the products are in the description below. Until next time, stay sharp and happy shaving.